Do you know many people are having trouble with adjusting the seat height in their Toyota CHR 2022? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Locate position lever. Locate the seat position adjustment lever on the side of your seat. Step 2. Grasp height lever. Identify and grasp the vertical height adjustment lever near the seat position lever. Step 3. Lift height lever. Lift the vertical height adjustment lever upward to start adjusting the seat height. Step 4. Adjust with movements. While holding the lever up, use slight body movements to help adjust the seat to your desired height. Step 5. Release and lock. Once the seat is at the right height, release the lever, making sure it locks into place. After following these steps, you should easily adjust your seat height for a comfortable and safe drive. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Toyota users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.